Good afternoon, YouTubers. How you doing? This is Jesse here, just giving you an update on my Ford F-150 and my Ford Bronco. About a year ago, I did some work on my smog pumps, and I put a video out there regarding my smog pumps and taking them apart and trying to rebuild them. As you all know, if you're watching this video, they're not very easy to get anymore. They're quite expensive, and I decided to take mine apart just to hopefully save myself some money and you know, do the repair myself. Dorman's the only one that's actually selling these things when they have them in stock. So I'm just gonna let you know that there's really not too many options with regards to these pumps. The junkyard has them. Often they're sealed up or they're frozen. So it's really buyer beware here. So anyways, just to give you a little update, I did my Bronco around the same time that I did my F-150. Both of them were chirping. They were kind of making noise, a little bit on the annoying side. So the Bronco, as you can see down there, it looks painted. I kind of prettied it up a little bit and hooked it up according to how it's supposed to be hooked up. And this one right here has been pretty darn quiet. Pretty happy with the results with this one right here. Now my F-150, okay, this was the vehicle that I did first. This one right here, I had taken it apart, and again I had cleaned it up, gussied it up, put a new pulley on the front there. Actually, the pulley wasn't new. I had the same pulley on it. But anyways, I took it out, took it apart, cleaned it up, and it did get quieter. I will admit it did get quieter, but it still had a chirp, and I'm really annoyed by chirps. So I got so annoyed by the chirps, what I did was I took it out again. And because I didn't want to deal with it anymore, what I did was I literally broke apart those little fiberglass-like veins inside of it. And now essentially it's an empty air pump, and it really doesn't do much but rotate the pulley, and there's very little air kind of pumping through it. But it's there. It doesn't make any noise anymore, and I'm pretty happy with the results there. Really doesn't make any effect on the vehicle. I don't have cats on it or anything like that. So the smog isn't really where it needs to be on this vehicle, even though I have all the smog hooked up with the exception of the cats in this. So I'm going to start up the engine so you guys can hear the results on both of them. They're both quiet, and let you hear it. There you go. Make any noise, pretty quiet, pretty happy with the results. On my beater truck, take it to the dump. I feel bad for it because it's a Lightning, but it is what it is. I wanted to sell it for $2,500 bucks. If anyone wants a truck, let me know. Anyways, here's the Bronco. Let's turn around and start this bad boy up. This is a stick Bronco. I don't see too many of them anymore. High idle, should go to low idle. Let's go up here. It runs really well. Pretty happy with it. Kick back down. Doesn't make any noise. Idles really well. No chirping. Pretty happy. Alright guys, that's the video. The update video 1 year later. Hopefully help somebody out. All in all, I mean, the actual work on those pumps really only takes about an hour. It takes maybe about a half an hour to pull these things out. And after you pull them out, it might be a little bit of a pain to take them apart, but it's about an hour's worth of work, some cleaning, and you should be pretty good to go. You know, I mean, it's worth a try. It doesn't cost you really any money except for the lubrication and time that it took you. So the new pump's going to cost you well over $100. So anyways, hopefully it helps somebody. If you like it, give me a like. you want to share it, share it. Take it easy. Bye.